It is very easy to use, and you can find what you need effectively. It supports different data, such as photos, contacts, videos, audios, and more. If the data are stored on self-decode card in your phone, it also can scan and restore the data. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer, and then launch it, and then connect device to computer with the USB cable. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instruction to enable USB debugging here. Step 3. Select the file types you want to scan. Click Next. Step 4. Click the data type from the left panel, check the items and click Recover. That's all.